I'm Tim, I'm a Chief Technology Officer at Pickit. People always want the latest and greatest when it comes to 3D camera technology, and the field is evolving quite rapidly. So we see a lot of our camera partners making new version, more powerful, more performant cameras. And so we wanted to embrace those novelties to cover more applications. Our new version do many things better than the previous one. First of all, we can cover an even bigger field of view than we could, up to 3 times bigger, so huge field of view can be covered in one shot. What also is we have a higher quality point cloud, so we can start detecting more shiny or transparent objects that we could not easily detect in the past. I would say what used to be edge case become comfort case. To discover the new version about Pickit, I would say the website is a good first step. Then you can, of course, contact our team that would happily show you.